Yeah, it's me, Zane, here again, and tomorrow it's gonna be Monday. I'm gonna be doing some mouse hunting with my Crosman Pumpmaster 760. This is a little sling I made so I can put it on my back. Here's the clip to it. It's it holds 5 pellets, and there's some extra pellets and a tin of Crosman destroyers. And another gun I'm gonna be using is the Ruger Explorer. It doesn't have that much FPS, and that's why I'm gonna be using it, because it has just enough FPS to kill a mouse. It has like 400 and some, and I'm using that so that the landowners won't, like, say I miss a shot or something, it won't tear up anything or put a dent and stuff in their produce stand. And the scope I'm going to be using is a center point scope, and it has mil dots, and I have a light also too, just in case. And the pellets I'm going to be using for that is, I'm going to be using Gamma Red Fire pellets and Craftsman destroyers. Is this one of the pellets I shot a while ago? Nope, but I found another pellet. I was practice shooting at this picture of this mouse. Yeah. As you can see, I shot it in both of its eyes. Yeah, headshot automatically. And these are the 2 guns I'm going to be using. The Crosman Pumpmaster 760, I'm probably only going to do 5 pumps. I might use BBs, but I might not, because BBs ricochet and pellets don't. When you shoot pellets and it hits its target, flattens out. It's a good thing about them. The Ruger Explorer, it's a break barrel, as you can see. I'm going to show you. Hold up.